As you can see, we've cleaned up everything that was against the house. Here, the shed here. Almost everything along the fence line. We still have a big pile of wood to take care of, and there's still more wire, but it's significantly different than what it was. This area has been taken care of, probably about 70%. We've taken who knows how many loads of trash in. I'm guessing more than 15, but I'm not sure. What hasn't been taken in has been organized, trying to go through to see what can be saved, what can be used, and what can be donated so that somebody else can use it. So today we're taking just a bunch of scrap metal in. Shows some of the other stuff that we've had. You can't see very well in the video, but this is a bunch of wire that we've pulled out of the ground that was left behind for several years. There's also a lot of trash that I assume was from when Kent and Debbie lived on the property back in the 70s and early 80s. But we've gotten that pulled out so that we can hopefully get tractors in here. We still need to cut down some branches along the fence line and pull out some dead trees. This area used to be stacked all the way up. There's a freezer in here full of rotten food, who knows from when. A ton of stuff has been taken out from this area. We've tried to put together all the glass just in case somebody may be able to use it on a later date. Try to put all the wood together in one place so that somebody can potentially use that on a later date. All the roofing that was left throughout the yard and piping in different places we've tried to stack into one place so that it's not all over. Going back into the shed. Oh, as you can see, all the broken glass and items that were on the ground have been cleaned up. This has been kind of interesting because we never know what's underneath the ground here. This is where the wellhead is, and one of our goals this spring is to get this area dug out and cleaned out so that we know exactly how everything operates and make sure that we're doing it in such a way that it can be done as efficiently as possible. More windows that need to be tossed. That will be going on a later run. In the shed itself, we've organized a lot of wood that had been saved from the burn pile this summer. A lot of wood over here too. Just trying to have it completely organized and set up. Insulation that was in the garage, in the basement. More wood saved from the wood pile, and just trying to make this more organized and what things that have been saved that they can be taken care of. Over here is the rest of Debbie's stuff. There's a whole bunch of boxes, a whole bunch of plastic containers. There's a great big bed, there's a dresser and some more boxes. And that's with the sequoia being completely stuffed in the entire back with a bunch of her stuff as well. So today we're taking in a load of steel and a load of Debbie's stuff.